So, you're dreaming of Niagara Falls? Great choice. It's truly an awe-inspiring sight. But before you book that trip, consider this. Timing is everything. Niagara Falls is stunning year-round, but each season paints a different picture. From the vibrant blooms of spring to the frozen spectacle of winter, your experience will change with the weather. Let's dive into the best time to witness this natural wonder, season by season. Spring at Niagara Falls is like that first deep breath of fresh air after a long winter. The crowds are smaller, the weather is mild, and the flowers are bursting into bloom. Imagine strolling along the falls, the mist kissing your face, surrounded by colorful tulips and daffodils. It's the perfect time for photography enthusiasts, as the lighting is soft and the scenery is vibrant. Plus, you can enjoy the walking paths and attractions without the summer crowds. Summer is peak season at Niagara Falls. The weather is warm and sunny, perfect for boat tours like the iconic Maid of the Mist. You'll be surrounded by the energy of fellow travelers, all marveling at the thundering water. Summer nights come alive with spectacular fireworks displays over the falls, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Keep in mind that this vibrant atmosphere comes with larger crowds and higher prices. Autumn at Niagara Falls is a feast for the senses. The surrounding trees explode in a fiery palette of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating breathtaking scenery. The air turns crisp and cool, perfect for hiking the Niagara Gorge trails or exploring nearby wine country. The crowds have thinned out since summer, offering a more tranquil experience. Imagine sipping local wine while overlooking the falls painted in autumn hues, pure magic. For a truly unique experience, brave the cold and witness Niagara Falls transformed into a winter wonderland. Imagine a world where the mighty falls are partially frozen, draped in glistening icicles. The mist freezes on the surrounding trees, creating a magical snow-covered landscape. Winter is also the time for festive celebrations, with the annual Winter Festival of Lights illuminating the falls in a dazzling display. If you're a fan of snow and ice, this is the time for you. So when is the best time to visit Niagara Falls? The answer depends on you. For those who prefer milder weather, fewer crowds, and blooming flowers, spring is ideal. Summer is perfect for sunshine, boat tours, and a lively atmosphere. Autumn offers stunning foliage and a peaceful ambiance. And for a truly unique and festive experience, winter's frozen beauty is unmatched. Here are some handy tips to make your Niagara Falls trip unforgettable, no matter the season. Spring pack layers, as temperatures can fluctuate. Don't forget your camera for those stunning floral shots. Summer book accommodations and tours in advance as they tend to sell out quickly. Sunscreen, hats, and light clothing are a must. Autumn, bring a jacket for those cooler evenings. Consider renting a car to explore the scenic Niagara wine region. Winter pack warm clothing including hats, gloves, and waterproof boots. Be prepared for icy conditions. No matter when you choose to visit, Niagara Falls promises a breathtaking experience. So pack your bags, pick your season, and get ready to be awed by the power and beauty of this natural wonder.